I like. Boy, don't disturb it. She's my
Yes.
daughter.
Oh, she's your daughter. Does she know English? Can she speak some sentence?
I am Bhuviksha.
I am Puriksha.
What's your name? What did you tell your name?
Is it?
I am a Puriksha.
What's your name?
Oh, so where are you from?
I'm from Madhurgarh.
I am from Bhadargarh,
Oh, which state?
Haryana.
Haryana.
Chalo,
Oh,
Bhuviksha.
Haryana, right. And in which standard are you studying? In which class do you study?
She has just promoted in first class today.
Oh, after growing up, she will become Angrez like that.
Yeah, I want that, but she is improving a little bit in her English level.
Yes, yes. Really, I
Actually,
can say because yes, because in my area, I think as many children are like your, like you do, so to me like your daughter, right? So they don't know English, can't speak English in my area, but she could speak some sentence. I got happy, and I think she speaks fluently. I know she studies in English medium. I think, right?
are you able to see my video?
No, I can't see you.
Oh, actually, it's my first video on Skype. I'm unable to connect in it.
Hello.
Hi, hi. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Yes, now I can see you. Now you got visible to me. But sometimes I think because I know about you are new in
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
platform, I think. Right.
Please let me know how I am visible to you. Like half screen, split screen is visible to you, or anything else?
Yes. Actually, if I talk about size of both photo, I think your face I can see in big screen and I can see myself in small size. And also also in your mobile, I think you can see yourself in small size, right? And you can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
me in.
Same here, same
It
here. That's
happens,
my question. Because I
Yes.
have seen in many conversation videos there are split screen shown, like half above and half below. So
Yes.
how can you do that?
Actually, it happens after recording. After recording, when you will click again in my ID, then you will save this video. After saving this video, when you will click in that video, then you will get both like a photo in same size, like we talk
Okay,
like that.
it
It,
will get automatically in that type of format.
yes, yes, you are right. Automatically it will edit like that. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I had gone to my daughter's PTM today, and her ma'am told she has been promoted to the next class, first class.
Oh, really? Thank you. I think. So, can you tell me about your introduction? I want to know from you because you are new to talk with me. I think yesterday I was trying to connect with you, but I think
Yeah,
you had told me. I
actually,
think tomorrow, right? Yes.
my husband is in Chandigarh police, and let me start from my introduction first.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Tell me.
my name is Preeti Mudgal, and I come from Bahadurgarh, which from state Haryana, that lies in eastern part of the state and the northern part of the country. And my husband works in Chandigarh police, and all of my family members basically works in Delhi police.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, can you tell me that you speak English fluently? And do you speak English language at home, or just while connecting with people through online you are talking, or also at home like you talk with your husband, also with your daughters in English?
No, I speak English with my daughter and with my sister as well. I talk to myself, the main thing, because
Yes.
I can't talk with my in-laws. They are not such a type that I can talk to them. I can talk with my daughter because she understands. She is in such type of English medium school. Her ma'am or teacher, whoever came in their class, they always teach in English. They don't use a single word of their mother tongue.
Yes, yes, it happens also in my area in some schools. But if I talk about in my school, it doesn't happen, because my school is Hindi medium and no one is using even Hindi language. They use only native language, mother tongue. Every students like they use their own mother tongue to speak to each other. But I don't like this thing when I hear from someone else will be speaking in their mother tongue, I don't like it. That's why I changed my hobby, to speak in the school. Like I use only English in the class. Whether I have to speak, but I should use only English. But some students don't like this. They want that Jadu, you should not speak English here. According to
Okay.
me, I am right, but they think like that. What will I say? Yes.
Yeah, that's the same thing that the people around us don't like, that we speak in English with them. They'll always want that we should speak them in our native language, basically our mother tongue, and our local, you can say local language.
Yes, yes, really they want like that. But I think nowadays for developing, we have to grow like, we have to speak in other language. If I talk about the people of village area, they want that I should know English language, right? I know this thing very well about the people of village area think to learn English language mostly, but I think for them I think it is kind of difficult to learn English, right? Like they think about English is hard to learn English, like that they think. But according to me, at this time, in this time, I think learning English is very easy through mobile, from YouTube, by watching videos,
Yeah,
by consuming English related video, they can learn easily, and by connecting with people because in Skype is free, you can talk, right? Like that.
no, I have seen. Sorry to interrupt you, but yesterday I had seen that there comes an option for charging something to have video call with someone. Is there such
No,
option?
no, it is not like that. Actually, one girl also was new in this platform. I think she was from Odisha. So I think she was new to create account. I think she was not knowing the way to create account. That's why she got that, option. You can consider like that, payment option, like you have to pay money, then you can talk like that. And she called me,
Yeah,
Jadu, there,
you contact with someone.
I have, yes, like
You
that.
had you had contact your English with the Hati madam, right?
Yes, I
I have
had
seen your
connected.
conversation
Yes,
with
I
the
had
English with
connected.
the
Yes.
Hati ma'am as well.
Yes. So do you want to connect with her? I can help you to connect with her also.
Yeah, I also wanna connect her. She is not replying or giving me response at all.
Yes. Yes. So you should tell my name. Yes, I will tell you the way to connect her, and you should tell me my name. Like English Jadu said, help me to connect with you. Please reply me like that. So she knows me very well. We are well known to each other. Like she knows me, I know her like that, and we took many sessions. I took lots of sessions.
How many
By
sessions do
talking
you
with her.
have with Yashoda?
Yes, yes, really. Actually, when I was unable to speak English language, that time I used to watch her videos on YouTube, and I was thinking
Okay.
that how could I learn like her? But nowadays, when I checked my English, that I can speak like her, like that. I am not getting believed that I can speak like her, like that. I think. But nowadays, when I checked myself by speaking with her, I think that I could learn English like that. I get happy after that. And one day, one fair was happening in my area, and there she called me suddenly. We took session. But I think that session was not good because of noises problem. Mela you can consider, which is called in Hindi. I think you understood, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know, Mela.
Yes. Yes. Mela, actually in my area, this, like Mela keeps happening in my area. Fair
Okay,
keeps
okay.
happening in my area. That's yes.
Okay, please tell me about yourself. Where do you come from?
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Why not? Why not? I will also tell about myself. You know very well my name Jadu Kisku. What's your name? Like that. I think if you will ask me, then my name is Jadu Kisku. Yes. If I talk about, like my
Oh, oh.
education, I study in
Jadu
9th
is
class.
your
Yes.
real name or is it your nickname?
Jadu Kisku. Yes, Jadu is my real name. Also
Okay.
in other card, like this is my name. You can think about it is my real name. Jadu is my real name. Yes.
Like it sounds like it's your nickname. Okay. You always do conversation while walking. What's the
Yes.
reason behind it?
Actually, it is my style of making video, because I wanna do unique. Because nowadays I saw lots of people, and I thought after watching their videos on YouTube, I thought that they can, like they are sitting, they sit in one place on the chair, and they're talking like that. And I was thinking I wanted to get viral on YouTube like that. That's why I changed
Yeah,
my style of
anyway.
making video. Yes.
So,
But some people think about me crazy, also in my village. But nowadays they don't think. But in the beginning time when I was new to make this kinds of video, when I had only 15,000 subscribers, that time also I was walking. While walking I was making, but that time people were saying me crazy like that. And nowadays also some people by commenting like Jadu is pagal like that, Jadu is crazy like that. They commented
Whenever
also in
we
my
do
short
something
video.
different from the people, all we are always addressed like crazy.
Yes, yes. When we do unique work, people start saying us like crazy,
Yeah, of
right?
course.
Like that.
Whenever you will do something unique and different from other people, people will make fun of you. They will laugh at you. They will always do something like that. They will wanna stop you from doing.
Yes, yes. They will try to stop us. Suppose you will be doing any success work. People, I think some people can be also in your area who will be trying to, like, put you down. Trying to put you down, see you down like that,
Yeah, how
and
can
they
you
will make
speak
fun of
English?
you. Yes,
You are not speaking English well.
yes, yes. Whether
They,
you speak good English, all the same, see, they will say you about your English is not good. Weak English you speak like that. You make mistake like that. They will see you. But I think they should get happy. If at least I'm speaking, please appreciate me. That do. Why are you making fun of me? Like that, I
yeah,
said them.
that's the
Now no
main
one is
thing.
making
At
fun of
least
me.
we are
Yes.
trying. We are not like other people who are sitting there. They are not doing practice. Better don't
Really,
disturb.
really. Yes.
Okay, tell me something more about yourself. What you do along with your YouTube.
Along with my YouTuber working, I am a student. I think you know. I think you haven't connected with anyone, right? Before me in this
No, you
platform.
are the first one.
Oh,
I viral boy.
yes, yes.
Maybe
So
I will
yes.
also be viral one day, just because connecting with you.
So I'm a student. I studied 9 class. Recently, I gave the exam of 9 class. Now I passed 9 class also, and in April, April month, I think on 7 April, my school will be started. Then I will sit in 10 class like that. And I will study in 10 class like that. You can consider. But now I bought books for 10 class, and I am studying about that books also because now I have to start learning that also. That in the time of exam, I will not have to find difficult to learn this all, right? So that I can good get good mark like that. That's why from now, I started studying.
Okay, so where do you come from, Jadu?
I come from Jharkhand state. If I talk about my district, is Sahibganj. Sahibganj is a small district of Jharkhand, I think. So I belong from Sahibganj district. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. I think the very famous YouTuber Manoj, they also come from the Jharkhand.
Yes, yes, Manoj Day, YouTuber. I got motivation from him to open YouTube channel, and
I
ask me.
also. My
Yes,
motivation to open the YouTube channel is only him.
yes, yes, yes. That's why nowadays as many people who understands like who understand like Hindi language, right? Because if you will watch Manoj this video, I think he made videos in Hindi language, right? And those who doesn't understand, Hindi language, I think they will not understand what does he tell like that. I understanding Hindi, so I watch his many videos on YouTube, and you know very well about his channel. What type of video does he make? Like English YouTube channel related, technical knowledge, right?
Yeah.
So as many knowledge about YouTube channel now I have, because of him, like with the help of him, like I got by watching his video. That's why I
Uh,
didn't get any copyright strike from YouTube.
Okay, but I got many a time. Although I'm also watching his videos on YouTube tricks
Yes,
and how to upload, even from starting the channel, how to create YouTube channel, each and everything I have learned from his channel only.
yes,
But sometime due to music copyright, I have got.
yes. Because nowadays I think there are lots of YouTubers are available on YouTube related to technical. Like they make only technical related video,
Like
and if you
videos,
will check their video, yes, they give
yeah,
like only tips, right? Yes, really. Yes.
I
So
can
I watch
recall some
their video.
people like Creator Search and Rahul, Active Rahul, Spreading Gyan. They are 3 to 4 are famous.
Really, really, But mostly I can say about Manoj Day is most popular YouTuber related
Yeah,
to technical
he has
in
more
Hindi
than
language
6
from
million,
India.
I guess, on his YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, yes. I think big YouTuber you can consider, and
In
many people by
many
knowing
languages.
him they got I think they got shocked so far. That Manoj is from like Jharkhand, and he is big YouTuber now. He became big YouTuber. Now he works on YouTube, and I think his way of giving knowledge is better, right? Like I think I watch his video that he gives knowledge in better way. Like he can make you understand easily what should you do, like that. If you are getting any problem in your YouTube channel, you can watch Manoj De's video. Suppose you got one problem in your channel that you are not getting views, then you can see his video, and then suddenly you will get what types of mistake have you done, like that you will come to know. So I
Oh,
got many times like this problem, so I solved automatically when I watch his video, like that.
okay, okay. Have you ever met Manoj Day since he belongs to your district?
Yes, I met him also, in the reality you can consider. Yes. Actually, if I talk about his village from my area, can be 200 kilometers from my area
Okay, from Dhanbad.
around.
I guess
Yes.
he belongs to Dhanbad village.
Yes, Dhanbad, Jharia, Jharia, I think there is coal mine, do you know? Coal mine, Koila Khadan, I think that is called.
Okay.
Yes. So many times, I think one time I met him. Actually, I had gone there, a small capital of Jharkhand, to motivate students. That time, I had thought to meet him, so I had gone to him. Actually, nowadays he's quite busy person. Nowadays, if you'll go in 2025, he's quite busy. I think he can't be at home now. I think he lives, anywhere like that. You can consider. Yes.
Okay, okay. But I think he lives most of the time only at home.
Yes, because now I think he got married also, you can consider. So I think he has built lots of houses, also in Delhi area, like that he told in one video. So I think
Uh-huh.
he will be living there also sometime. Because I came to know when I watched one video, one person was making blogging about him, that I had gone to meet him, Manoj Day, but I couldn't meet him because he was
Okay,
not at home, like that. He was
okay,
telling.
okay.
So I came to know by watching his video,
Maybe
like that.
can
But
we
sometime,
never
yes,
met that time.
yes.
Okay. She has a cute daughter now, almost for 2 to 3 months.
Oh, 3 months only.
I guess because 2 to 3 months before I had seen his video of vlog.
Oh, yes, yes. Really, I
Yeah,
think
her
because
wife's
nowadays I
name is
think yes,
Jyoti Shride.
Jyoti Siri, right?
Yeah, I used to see her vlogs.
Really, because I think Jyoti Siri and Manoj Day are living. I think they were born in same area. You can consider. So they got married, like that, and now they are living together like that. And both of what will say? They both are like YouTuber. You can consider. I think they have lots of subscribers. Mostly, I don't watch Jyoti Siri like her video. I watch only Manoj Day video, like that blog types of video,
Okay,
because
okay,
sometimes I can get to see Jyoti Siri also with Manoj Day, like that. So that's why mostly I don't visit her channel. Mostly in
okay.
Manoj Day vlogs I get her, like that. So I get happy by watching her also with him, like that. Yes, yes.
How the idea of becoming a YouTuber came to your mind?
Actually, I first time, I had thought to become YouTuber in 2021. Yes, that time, recently I had bought a mobile. That time, I had thought to create YouTube channel related to cartoon for kids. I was
From
yes,
which
like that.
person, from which personality did you get motivation to start a YouTube channel? And how did that idea came to your mind that I should also create a channel? And
Actually,
you should create
yes.
only how that idea come that you should create a channel for conversation videos.
Oh, conversation video, right? Actually, this for making this kinds of video, I got motivation. In year of 2020, 3, you can consider. Yes, when it was, I think, month of August 2023, that time. So recently, new one mobile, Realme mobile I had bought, and I was watching lots of conversation video. But
Okay.
I wanted to make conversation video that time also in August month. I wanted to start channel, but one problem. I was whenever I was searching about conversation video in English language, people were telling me that you have to pay money. Like there are some application like Cambly and Hi Bro, like that application you have to pay money. You have to give like
Okay,
buy subscription, like that.
all of these apps are paid.
Yes, it's really. That's why I was no, unable to. make any conversation video. Then also I thought one day in October month 2023 to make this kinds of video. That time I thought, if I can't use that application, but I will, give my number and I will give my WhatsApp number in about section. People will watch my video and they will call me directly and I will take session with them in English on WhatsApp. And I took around, 4 session in WhatsApp application and I uploaded that sessions in YouTube on YouTube, and one video got viral. I got around 14,000 views I got in that video, and that
Okay.
girl was from Jharkhand only, because mostly people from other state were not calling me, like from Mumbai,
Okay.
Delhi, they were not calling me, only from nearest. You can
Well,
you can
people are
consider
from your
from
background.
Jharkhand, yes. Yes. So her name is Siddhi Yadav. You can consider. So she called me,
Okay.
Jadu, I wanna take session with you, like that. On WhatsApp we took session. Then one boy called me. So Jadu, he also took session with me on WhatsApp application, but he was not liking to take session with me on WhatsApp. He told me, Jadu, I know about one application. It's called Skype. Why not? We should talk on Skype, like that. He added me on group. Then suddenly I started getting person. Then I started my journey, like my journey has been started, you can consider, and continuously since then I have been making these kinds of video. Now I went viral, so that's the reason to get viral, and nowadays got viral, famous, got fame, everything.
Okay, okay. Right. Oh, your family must be proud of you. You speak like
Really,
this.
they must be proud of me, and not must be, you can consider, mustn't be, but they are proud, really, you can consider, really they are proud of me, like that. Yes.
Okay. Do you
They
have any
got
siblings,
happy.
Raju?
I have siblings. You are asking about siblings, right? Yes. So I have one sister, one brother. They are, younger than me. You can consider one
Okay,
sister, one
you are
brother.
the elder one in your family.
Yes, yes. I'm elder one. Actually, I had one brother. I think he passed away. I don't know when. I was not in this earth, like that.
Your elder, younger brother passed away.
Elder. Yes.
Okay,
Actually,
elders.
before I was not. I think I wasn't born that time. Right. I
Okay,
wasn't
okay,
born.
okay. It happens
But
with a
I used
lot
to
of
see,
persons.
I used to think about him, because I am shown many times like photo, of my elder brother, like that.
Okay,
Actually, they
okay.
took,
I just know
selfie, like that.
there was one more brother you had.
Yes, yes, like that. Otherwise, we would be around, three brothers in our family, like that.
Okay. Jadu, can you help me in connecting with more people so that I can also improve my English like you?
Why not? Why not? I am for helping people also. I help people. I will help you to get thousands of people. You will
Yeah.
get, if you want so. I think video is getting long, and now you want person. I will add you now. Right now, you can start talking with people. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank